especially directing. Acting is not so much, but directing, they don't necessarily understand all the other roles that are going on set. So they might be an expert in their field, but they might not understand how long other things take.
Yeah.
There are a lot of people, first-time directors, that just don't appreciate that if you want to make things look good, that actually takes time. We could shoot with daylight, pick up a camera on the shoulder, have it a bit soft. But if you actually want to make art happen, it doesn't have to be super stylized. But if you want to appreciate people's creativity, it does take time.
Yeah.
We are in the entertainment industry. Our job is not necessary to human existence the way we're not necessarily brain surgeons, we're not teachers, we're not social workers. We entertain people. We show pretty pictures to them and tell stories that teach them something or pull them out of their own lives or show them something that they might not be able to see otherwise. We create, we fantasize. That's a world that needs time to create. So when people just want to shoot something for the sake of it, the rest of the crew can get really upset about it because they don't feel appreciated. They feel like hired in hands for someone's ego. And that's the worst thing that can happen to your crew. If you lose the respect of the people who are working for you, you're actually not going to get a good film out of it, because if nobody gives a shit, they are not going to even try to make it look pretty. We all just put our hands up and take a step back and just watch you do you because you want to make a film, and we don't give a shit about you. I said this a million times before, but I'm going to say it again. People work for two reasons: money or friendship. And if you don't have any of those, you're not going to get a good film out of it.
No.